Hi everyone, welcome back to Deb's Crafty Cottage. I have closed the call for collaborators for the regular collaborators. We will be moving forward with embellishments on the 11th, and in the screens that follow I'm going to show you who the actual participants are, and I'm also going to put a link down below so that you can be sure you're subscribed. There's only 5 or 6 of us, which is fine. And then if you'd like to play along, you're going to use hashtag embellishments on the number 11, TH 11th 2022. I'll also put that hashtag down below in the description. We have our list of regular participants, but anybody is welcome to play along. There's no rules other than post at noon Eastern, which is New York time, on the 11th each month from July through December. And you can make any kind of embellishment that you want. You can use buttons. I already showed some examples in the call for collaborators, but any kind of embellishment, any holiday, any season, anything. Just non-seasonal, something you might use on cards later, something you might use in mixed media later. It could be fabric related. Anything goes. I mostly will deal with paper, but occasionally I might throw in some beads. I usually do that on my other channel, Dahlia Designs, Jewelry and More, but occasionally I might throw in some little beading in case I want to use it on a journal or something. I don't know yet, so we'll see. I think mostly it'll be paper craft though. So yeah, please join us on the 11th. Even if you're just a viewer, we'd love to have you hop along and see what everyone's embellishments are on the 11th. And then my intent is that I'm going to make things that I'll probably use on cards or in other collabs, excuse me, for finished projects. And you know what? Making embellishments is a good way to use your scraps too. So if you have a lot of scraps, pull them out. I have a lot of retired Stampin' Up! Designer paper scraps, and I have a lot of other paper as well. So I'm intending to use them along with some other things like maybe buttons and bling and little bits of ribbon and stuff that I have too. I have a whole 2 sweater boxes full of scrap ribbon and scrap twine, lace and doilies, that kind of stuff. I have some retired Stampin' Up! Embellishments. I have some other embellishments. I have a ton of washi tape. Good way to use your washi tape as well. So anyway, that's it. I wanted to let everyone know to subscribe ahead of time to everyone's channels if you haven't already, and come join us on the 11th and see what everyone makes for embellishments on the 11th. And then be sure to click on the hashtag that'll be in our description boxes or in our title. Hashtag embellishments on the 11th 2022. It won't be spelled out like this. It'll be the number and a TH behind it. So be sure to click on that on the 11th, and you'll be able to find anyone else that's participating that might play along for a month or 2 or all of them but just didn't want to sign up as a regular. Okay? Thank you so much for joining us. Let's have fun with this, and I'll see you soon. Bye.